In this question, we need to make n the subject of the formula. So we need to isolate n, right? So obviously, the easiest thing to do is to remove the p because it's not part of the bracket. And p is multiplying, so we need to divide both sides by p so that this p will cancel with that one. So far we're left with a over p is equals to 1 minus I all to the power of n. Alright, since n is an exponent, we have to apply logarithms to bring it down. So we are going to apply logarithms to both sides. Ne? So we're going to have log of a over p is the same as log of 1 minus I all to the power of n. And according to the laws of logs, the exponent can multiply the coefficient to create the new coefficient. So on the left, we have log a over p is equals to, here remember there's a 1, right? So 1 times the exponent n is basically n. So we have n log 1 minus I. And to isolate the n, we need to divide by log 1 minus I. Because it's multiplying the n, we remove it by division. So whatever we do on the right, we must also do on the left. Therefore, we can see that we have log a over p all over log 1 minus I is equals to n. And that is, sorry, here it's 1 minus I, ne? And that is your final answer. You have successfully isolated the n. And someone can write their answers this to say, so if you leave it like this, it's still fine, but someone can say n is basically log base 1 minus I index a over p. This is also fine. All right. And that's it with that video, ladies and gentlemen. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to share with family and friends so that they can also be enlightened. And we have a lot more videos coming, ladies and gents. Thank you very much. Tango.